Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I have this turmeric. I grew it, put it in this container, I think 9 months ago, 6 to 9 months ago. I don't remember when it was. It was the summertime sometime. It's now the end of December. So I wanna take it out to see if anything grew. See if we have any turmeric. So, over time it's to see. Ooh. Okay. It was just one small piece of turmeric. I decided to experiment to see if it will grow, and we actually have turmeric. Look at that. Oh, this is quite nice. Okay. All this. It was one tiny, I think it was this one. This looks like the mother root right here. I mean the mother rhizome. And all of these grew out of it. So this is pretty good. Okay. Right. Let me rinse it off and I'll be right back. 1 second. Okay. I've rinsed them off. And this is what we have. This is pretty good. See, came from this root, this rhizome right here. Okay. I'll definitely try this again this coming garden season. So I'll cure this a little bit for a couple of days, let it dry out, and then it will dry out. Take so the scales, this external scales will come off, and then once I do that, then they should be ready. You can either cook with them fresh, or I can grind it down to a powder. But yep, this is turmeric. It looks like carrots, but it smells really great. Yep, this is a good harvest for a tiny rhizome. And I think I planted something. Yeah, it was about this size. This was the size that I threw in. I don't remember if I took a picture when I planted it. If I did, I'll find it and overlay it. But if there's no picture, then I didn't take one when I was planting. And I put it in this. This is it's a 2 gallon container, and it's been there for. It was in the summertime, so at least 6 months. Maybe it was in the spring. If it was in the spring, that would have been 9 months. But this is what we have. So This is pretty good. All right, I'll stop this video right here. It's just a quick video. I didn't know if there was anything under there, but we do have turmeric, lots of turmeric. So, all right, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.